Do you agree that there are tons of ways to generate passive income online in this day and age? Well, look at these YouTube channels for example. This is a channel that focuses on weight loss. It has 5 million subscribers and 18 million views over the last 30 days. On the upside, that translates to as much as $880,000 a year or $73,000 a month or $2,400 every day, just from YouTube ads alone. Oh wow, are you kidding me? Look at this other fitness channel that produces videos for yoga. Hey! Oh my god, can you believe that? Aside from YouTube ads income, they also receive tons of commissions just by selling products through affiliate marketing. Now, imagine about yourself being able to make, say conservatively, just $1,000 a month online. Or if you want to be much more ambitious than that, how about $10,000 a month online? That means no more 9-to-5 jobs, no more judgment from people about your mental health issues, no more customer complaints, and most importantly, no more bosses. You shall be your own boss. While this video is intended for friends who may have mental health issues and are unable to perform the best at their regular work, it is by no means a sure-win method to quit your job immediately. However, there are already so many people using these methods of generating passive income online. They are of no doubt your regular YouTubers or influencers whom you watch and follow every day. Hey, I only hope to be able to share my knowledge with people who actually need it more than we do. So sit tight. I'm gonna give you a crash course over the next 7 minutes because this should be all you need to get started and rolling. Maybe let's do this in 7 steps as well, so that it is easier to remember. 7 steps in 7 minutes. Here's a quick summary for you. All the steps are listed in the description box below as well. If I'm going too fast, pause whenever you need to or watch again since this is not a live demo. Otherwise, let's go. Step 1. Simply sign up for a free Gmail account. Assuming that only some of you might need a new Gmail account, I'll put a link in the description box below so you can step through the process. After you are done with the account creation, go to YouTube and you should be able to create a channel for yourself. Simply create a channel with your desired display name and handle. Step 2. Set up your YouTube channel. Start filling up the basic info page about your channel with some basic branding information about yourself or the videos that you will be promoting. We will come back to the branding section later once we have the utilities to create images. Next, click on Settings at the bottom left of the screen and do some basic setup about your channel. Be sure to select Not Made for Kids, so that you can monetize your videos next time. You will also need to verify your phone number to get access to more features and get the maximum access by uploading a photo ID to YouTube. Set up some basic standardized details for each video that you upload and leave the rest to the default selection. That's all you need to do for now. Step 3. Sign up for ChatGPT. You can register the account using your Gmail so that you can link everything under the same umbrella. Enter your name and date of birth and click Continue to follow through the process. Once it's done, you will reach this screen where you can ask ChatGPT to write you anything. For example, I am going to ask ChatGPT to write me a story about a boy and a dog. And how they met and became good buddies, and stuff. Okay, we have the title and the 5 chapters and summary as we wanted. Now we can ask ChatGPT to expand each chapter into a long list of detailed content. And there you go, now we just need to have it repeated for all 5 chapters and you're done with the video script. Step 4. Sign up for a Pictory free trial account. You will need a full license after 3 video creations or non-watermark videos, but let us first get you familiarized with the tool before you start spending any money. Use this Pictory link plus the code in the description box so that you can get an additional 20% discount if you decide to buy the license later. Similarly, you can use your Gmail account to link it to your Pictory account to reduce the number of ID and passwords to remember. Now, since you already have the script generated by ChatGPT, all you need to do is to use the script to video method. Go back to the ChatGPT screen and simply copy the whole Chapter 1 content. Then paste it back into this storyboard editor. You can choose to either do the whole story in one video, or make 5 different videos to create mini cliffhangers for your audiences. In the scene settings, change this to line breaks so that we can create a short video block for each line of your script. Touch up on the storyboarding lines. Later on, the tool will automatically generate the video with its recommendations on the visuals and the background music for you. Pick your favorite template and subtitle flow design and set it to 16:9 for standard videos, or if you like to create shorts or TikTok videos you may use 9:16 instead. Voila! Your video is created. However, bear in mind that not all recommended scenes have relevant visuals since each storyline content is quite short for an AI to understand the full context. I would recommend putting in some effort to reselect the appropriate visuals for each scene so that your story can flow nicely. Put some stickers, GIFs, emojis if you want to further enhance the quality of each scene. In the audio section, you can choose the background music you like for the entire video. As for the voiceover, you can choose the voice that you like. What you are hearing now is me, Aiden. Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
Welcome to Pictory.
Ha! Let's just use me, okay? You can choose to play around with it. Here are a few more quick tweaks that can help you better shape up the video, including the headings, subtitle fonts and other visibility settings. Set it to 1080p and once we are ready to go, press the preview button. If you are happy with the video, click the download button and the video is all yours and ready to upload. Remember to download the subtitle file as well so that you can upload to YouTube as a closed caption for more accurate translation purposes into other languages. Step 5. Image editing time. Sign up with Canva for free using your Gmail account again. That's right. I have a link for you again. Check out the description box below or use this link so that we can all help each other. Well, you know the drill. First, get a YouTube banner. You can search and download any of these banners that you like and use it for your YouTube channel banner. Just pick one of these, then change a few things. It's that easy. You can also get more types of images. For purposes like logos, profile pictures, thumbnails, watermarks, and many more. Once you have all the images you need, get back to your YouTube channel and upload everything that you need. Step 6. Hang on a moment. Just one more step before you upload your video to YouTube. Go to clickbank.com and create an account. Process through these steps and you should be ready to be an affiliate marketeer. Once your account is ready, you can go to the affiliate marketplace and start searching for the products you want to sell on behalf of. There are tons of products that you can market for. Choose the one that is relevant to your channel niche in your videos. Let's pick this as an example. Be sure to key in your account nick or ID if it doesn't appear automatically, and there you go, there's your hop link. Copy the hop link, go to tinyurl.com and create a shortened URL to make it look slightly more professional. There you go, that's your professional affiliate marketing link for the Wild Belly Dog probiotic product. Final step. Head back to YouTube. Click on Create and upload your video now. Once the video is uploaded, fill in all the necessary information. Be sure to make an attractive title and fill up the description. Don't forget to add the Tiny affiliate product link in the description box so that you can market it out to your audience. Oh yes, it requires feature eligibility enablement. Simply verify your phone number will do. Once verified, you will be able to add a custom thumbnail that you created through Canva as well. Remember to set, "It's not made for kids," with no age restrictions. Add some tags, choose a language and choose your category, and leave the rest as default. Upload the subtitle file that you have just downloaded from Pictory. You may not need it to be displayed since you already have a beautiful Pictory template with subtitles. This will only help YouTube do auto-translation to other languages more effectively. Finally, set your video as public and proceed to publish it right away. Once your video is live, be sure to add your Tiny affiliate product link again to the comments section and pin it up. As you can see, it's quite easy, right? I literally just did this in 7 minutes and 7 steps. Perhaps you can try this out as well, regardless of whether you have a mental health issue or not. Hope this passive income possibility tutorial can help someone who really needs this. It can make your dream come true. If you like this video, do like, share, subscribe and comment down below if you wish to see more videos like this. Now, let's play our video together. Hello. This is a story about Jake and Max. Jake's heart was pounding as he walked into the animal shelter with his parents. He had begged them for months to adopt a dog, and finally, they had agreed. As they walked down the rows of cages, Jake's eyes lit up when he saw a scruffy little puppy with big floppy ears and a wagging tail. "Can we please adopt him?" Jake begged his parents, his heart full of hope.